Fashion Sketch Explained, a visual journey in style. Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fashion sketches. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just curious about this creative process, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what fashion sketches are and their significance in the fashion industry. So, let's dive into the stylish and artistic realm of fashion sketches. A fashion sketch is an artistic illustration that represents a clothing design. It's a fundamental tool used by fashion designers to brainstorm and convey their ideas. These sketches are not just simple drawings, they are a blend of art and functionality. They often include details such as the type of fabric, patterns, colors, and the overall style of the garment. Fashion sketches serve as a blueprint for creating actual clothing items. Every fashion sketch has key elements that make it distinctive. These include 1. Silhouette. This is the shape or outline of the garment. It sets the basic structure of the design. 2. Details. These are crucial for understanding the design's intricacies, like pockets, buttons, or embroidery. 3. Texture and fabric. Representing how the fabric looks and feels is vital. This includes patterns, colors, and fabric type. 4. Movement. Good fashion sketches often suggest how the garment will move with the body. Fashion sketches are more than just preliminary drawings. They are a critical step in the design process because they foster creativity. Sketches allow designers to experiment with different ideas quickly. Communicate ideas. They provide a visual representation that is easier to understand than verbal descriptions. Serve as a reference. During the garment's creation, sketches act as a guide for tailors and designers. If you're interested in creating your own fashion sketches, here are some basic steps to get started. 1. Start with a croquis. This is a basic body outline that serves as your template. 2. Draw the garment. Overlay your design on the croquis, focusing on the silhouette and details. 3. Add colors and textures. Choose colors and textures that bring your design to life. 4. Refine your sketch. Make adjustments to perfect your design. Fashion sketches are a beautiful intersection of art and fashion design. They are essential for bringing a designer's vision to life and play a crucial role in the fashion industry. Whether you are a budding designer or simply love fashion, understanding fashion sketches can give you a deeper appreciation of the creativity and work behind every garment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been enlightening.